Hi, and welcome to my channel. My name is Erin. I'm a clinical aromatherapist here at Erin's Herbs. On this channel, I do weekly uploaded videos teaching you how to create your very own skincare products from the comfort of your own home. So whether or not you have never made skincare products or you have some experience, I hope that you will find this channel very informative. So let's get started creating. On this week's video, I'm going to be walking you through the step-by-step process on how to create this DIY scented body oil. Now, this body oil is perfume inspired and fairly easy to put together. So let me go ahead and get started showing you how I do this. So in this body oil, I chose to use ingredients that are going to be suitable for all skin types, as well as being very nourishing and hydrating for the skin. So with that being said, the first ingredient that I'm putting into my beaker here is sunflower oil. This is one of those carrier oils that has natural ceramides in it due to the high linoleic and oleic acid that it contains, and that is huge for skincare because that's going to give the really some intense hydration, as well as being great for repairing the skin's natural barrier and improving the skin's complexion. Now, with sunflower seed oil, it will not clog your pores, making it suitable for oily and acne-prone skin, as well as dry, sensitive, and mature skin as well. This does contain vitamin E, which we know to be really good for overall skin health, and this is a fast-absorbing, non-greasy oil. This next ingredient is jojoba oil, and why jojoba oil is good in this formula is because not only is it suitable for all skin types because it mimics the sebum that our skin naturally produces, but it also is high in vitamin E, B complex, copper, and zinc, and each one of those key vitamins and minerals will help to support healthy looking skin. So vitamin B complex is great for protecting the skin from inflammation and environmental stressors. And then copper and zinc are essential minerals that are going to really, help with new collagen production and aid in wound healing. Now, vitamin E, of course, is going to help to minimize the appearance of fine lines, scars, and wrinkles. This next carrier oil is excellent for the body because it's lightweight, fast absorbing, and it won't clog the pores. Again, another one that is suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin, and it is grapeseed oil. Now, grapeseed oil is rich in linoleic acid as well as omega-6 and vitamin E, great for boosting elasticity in the skin and providing much needed hydration without leaving a greasy residue behind on the skin. This is going to be an oil that doesn't have a very long shelf life, about 6 months or so. So keep that in mind. If you're wanting alternatives, keep watching this video because I will go over a substitution that you can use in place of this. Because vitamin E is so good for the skin, I'm going to go ahead and add a little extra. This is also going to really help to prolong the shelf life of the other ingredients I'm using today in this body oil. Now I'm going to go ahead and start creating my scent for this body oil, starting with the bottom note first, and that is benzoin. Benzoin is going to help to act as a fixative and help the scent of this body oil to last longer. It's hydrating and has a vanilla scent to it. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add some cedarwood essential oil. This is another base note. It has a very deep, woody, and balsamic scent to it. Lavender essential oil is going to be the middle note today, and it has a very sweet floral scent, but yet a little bit of a hibiscus and minty undertone to it. Bergamot FCF is the top note for this body oil, and it has a very citrusy and slightly floral scent to it, and it is not phototoxic. Now I'm going to go ahead and stir everything together. I want to make sure that those essential oils are evenly distributed throughout the whole body oil. And I'm going to probably do this for about 2 minutes in total. And then once the stirring has been completed, I'm simply going to go ahead and pour everything right into my dropper bottle. Now, I like to use a dropper bottle because it's convenient for me to use. And I find that I can control how much I put on my body without it being really messy. So this particular formula will make approximately 2 ounces of product. And then also, this is something that you can use daily. I'm not going to be showing a demo in this video because I figure everybody knows how to apply body oil. But there you have it. You have now made a scented body oil that is perfume inspired. So here are substitutions for this particular formula today. Instead of sunflower oil, use safflower oil. Now, when it comes to the jojoba oil, fractionated coconut oil, in my opinion, is going to be the best option. Either sweet almond oil or avocado oil can be used for the grapeseed oil, and those two have a longer shelf life as well. Other essential oil options are going to be chamomile, Roman chamomile, tangerine, cypress, and sandalwood. So thanks for watching, and if you'd like to see more DIY formulas, don't forget to like and subscribe.